Starting with the name of Allah, the most kind and the most magnificent. Assalamu alaikum guys, this is artist Rabia from Pakistan. So guys, in today's class we will learn about the eraser tools in Photoshop. You can see if you go right here and click here, the shortcut key is E. Guys, the eraser tool, background eraser tool and magic eraser tool. Today we will learn about these three tools in Photoshop. You can see I have this picture and this picture. I've downloaded these pictures from unsplash.com. So guys, first of all I'm going to open the lock. If you double click on this layer, on the lock, this will appear and I'm crossing this and your lock is opened. Guys, now first of all I will go with the eraser tool. You can see this is very simple eraser tool. If I go here, I can erase this very easily and it will become transparent. You can see like this, you can erase this and you can also erase this part too. It is very simple and it is simply this is eraser tool. I'm pressing Alt Ctrl Z to undo my selections. So guys, now I'm going to duplicate my layer. I'm pressing Ctrl J to duplicate the layer like this. And now I will show you first of all about the magic eraser tool. It works simply same like the magic wand tool. You can see I have magic wand tool right here. First of all I'm showing you how will this work. I'm hiding this down layer and if I click here it will select my entire part, and if I click on delete, you can see it has deleted the whole selection. It will select the same colors like this. I'm pressing Ctrl Z to undo. And now same if I do with my magic eraser tool, I click here, it will simply erase. You don't need to press any delete button, it will just erase. Let me show you again. I'm pressing Ctrl Z and if I click here, you can see this has erased the entire part. I have this part. I'm deleting this down layer and now I'm making a new layer. And let me show you another selection. You can see here I have my background color, this. If you want to fill the background color, simply press Ctrl backspace. This is shortcut key to fill the background color. You can see I have this color. Now if I drag this layer down here, you can see I have this background right here. Now this is very simple and very easy and very fun to use. I'm just deleting this layer for now. And I want my same photo again. I'm deleting this down layer. Guys, now I wanna show you background eraser tool. This is very simple. This works in a very easy and cool way. First of all, I'm taking a new layer and I'm filling the color in that red. If you want to fill the foreground color, simply press Alt backspace to fill the foreground color. Like this, I'm dragging this layer down. Guys, now see if I erase any of the background, you can see the back part easily. That's why I have made this layer so that I can erase it very easily. You can see if I make my selection from here, you can see if I make my selection like this, it is selecting. But if I bring my plus sign down, it will fill my color in this. So I don't need to do this. I'm just filling here. Wait. Guys, you can increase or decrease your tolerance from here, and you can also increase or decrease your hardness from here.
I don't wanna miss
So like this I can say that you can erase your background. So for the upper part I'm going to take my eraser tool and I will just getting with the flow. You can see guys, if I hide this layer, you can see the background is erased with that background eraser tool. Like this you can use the background eraser tool very easily. I'm going on this layer and I'm pressing Ctrl backspace to fill my background color. You can see like this. Now I'm pressing Ctrl Z. Guys, I want to bring this photo into that photo, so I'm just taking this move tool and with the help of move tool I'm dragging this into this photo and bringing this here by dragging. You can see I have this right here. If you drag this down it will not be visible, but if you bring here it is visible. So you can adjust it according to your taste wherever you want, or you can have any other clouds from here for sure. Guys, hope you like this short tutorial of today, that how can you use the eraser tools in Photoshop. So we'll come back with another video. If you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe my new channel, this channel Dunia Rang Daily. Okay, this is artist Rabia signing off. Allah Hafiz.